Hello students, you're welcome in our YouTube channel Vivekananda Academy of Learning. So guys, in this video we are going to discuss about certain MCQs related to BA semester 3. The subject is British fiction, CC 303 main English paper. So in this video we will discuss about MCQs. So already we have done part 1 and there are 40 MCQs, so you can visit, link is given in description. So about part 2, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please subscribe and press bell icon so that you can get new updates and videos from our channel. So now let's get started. In which drama do we come across the character of Sir Philip Flutter? So the correct answer is the Man of Mode. Next question. Which were four humors mentioned in the theory of humors? Blood, flag, black bite, and yellow bite. So these are the theory of humors. Blood, flag, black bite, and yellow bite. Next question. Name any three major themes of English comedy. Realism, correctiveness, and social and political satire. So among these, if anyone is in your option, that would be correct answer. Okay, next question. What is profession of Cobb? So the correct answer is water bearer. So the profession of Cobb is water bearer. Next question. What is the name of the justice in Every Man in His Humor? So the answer is Justice Clement. Next question. Which two nations are at war in the background of Arms and the Men? So the answer is Bulgaria and Serbia. Next question. Who is the mouthpiece of GB shows Arms and the Men? So the answer is Bluntschli. Next question. Who is the author of Pygmalion? So the answer is George Bernard Shaw, means GB Shaw. Next question. Who is heroine of Ibsen's Doll's House? So the answer is Nora Helmer. Next question. Who is Captain Bluntschli? So the answer is Captain Bluntschli is Swiss soldier in Serbian army. Next question. What does Catherine wear? Sorry, that is mistake. What does Catherine wear no matter what occasion or where she is? So the correct answer is fashionable tea gown. Next question. Who wrote The Man of Mode? So the answer is George Etheridge. Next question. Who said that comedy is an imitation of man worse than the average? So the answer is Aristotle. Next question. What type of comedy Every Man in His Humor is? So the answer is comedy of humor. Every Man in His Humor is comedy of humors. In which play the character of Nora Helmer appear? So the answer is Doll's House. Who is the hero of the play The Rivals? So the answer is Jack Absolute. Jack Absolute is the hero of the play The Rivals. Next question. Who is called the founder of English pastoral comedy? So the answer is Sir Philip Sidney. Next question. What is the theme of Osborne's Look Back in Anger? So the theme of Look Back in Anger is alienation. Next question. Laughter of comedy appeals to our intelligence. Laughter of comedy appeals to our intelligence. Who said this? So the answer is Henry Bergson. What sort of comedy The Alchemist is? So the correct answer is comedy of humors. Next question. During which period in the history of English literature did the comedy of manner become popular? So the correct answer is in Restoration period. Next question. Who is Captain Bluntschli? So the answer is Bobadil. Next question. Who keeps chocolates in his pocket? Captain Bluntschli. Next question. Who is Captain Bobadil? Bobadil. So the answer is military, braggart, and a coward. Next question. Who wrote Friar Bacon and Friar Bungay? So in which period? So the answer is Robert Greene has written Friar Bacon and Friar Bungay in Elizabethan period. Next question, in Elizabethan age. What type of husband is Mr. Kitley? So the answer is a jealous and suspicious husband. Next question. In which play do the characters of Mirabella, Millamart and Lady Wishfort appear? So the answer is The Way of the World. Next question. Who were the exponents of anti-sentimental comedy in English literature? So the answer is Oliver Goldsmith and Richard Sheridan. Next question. Who is Lauka? So the answer is maid servant in Petkoff's house. Maid servant. Next question. Who were two gentlemen of Verona? So the answer is Valentine and Proteus. So the answer can be like the another question can be like this. Who is Valentine and Proteus? So the options can be like two gentlemen of Verona. Next question. Which type of comedy was the popular product of the Restoration age? So the correct answer is comedy of manners. Next question. Which is the following dark comedy? So these are the examples of dark comedy. Winter's Tale by Shakespeare, Measure for Measure by Shakespeare, and The Cocktail Party, T.S. Eliot. So these are the examples of dark comedy. Which are the sources of laughter or laughter? So the sources of laughter are humor, satire, irony, dialogue, and situation. Next question. Who is in love with Brigette? So the answer is Edward Novell Jr. Next question. Who is the most popular characters in the 12th Night? So which is the most popular character? So the answer is Sir Toby Belch. Next and last question. In which drama do we come across with the character of Sir Flopping Flutter? So the answer is The Man of the Mood. Okay students, so these much of questions will may helpful you in your examination. If you again just I am reminding you, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please subscribe and like this video and do comment so that we can be motivated and we can make further video for you. Okay students, bye.